Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover numeric functions. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover mathematical functions. We can get absolute value using ABS or using math.fabs function. Get ceil of value using math.ceil function. Floor of value using math.floor function. Round of value using round function with optional precision. Exponential or e to the power x using math.exp function. Power or x to the power y using math.pal function. Natural logarithm using math.log function. Logarithm to base 10 using math.log10 function. Maximum of value using max function. Minimum of value using min function. Get fractional and integer in the form of tuple using math.modf function. Square root of value using math.sqrt function. In the next program, I am going to cover mathematical constants. Main mathematical constants are pi and e. In the next program, I am going to cover trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions are available in Math module. We can get sine of value using sin function, cosine of value using cos function, tangent of value using tan function, arcsine of value using asine function, arccosine of value using a cos function, arctangent of value using a tan function, arctangent of x by y using a tan2 function, hypotenuse of value using hypot function, convert radians into degrees using degrees function, degrees into radians using radians function. In the next program, I am going to cover random number functions. Random number functions are available in Random module. We can get random item from list, tuple or string, using choice function. Shuffle list, using shuffle function. Random value from range, using random range function with parameter as optional start, stop and optional step. Get random value between two values, using uniform function. Get random value between 0 and 1, using random function. We can generate same random number with seed, using seed function. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on Python program interview questions, from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.